Hi, my name is Cindy Farr, and I'm the Incident Commander for the Missoula City County Health Department's COVID-19 response. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, and this is my daily briefing. We're still sitting at a total of 41 cases to date in Missoula, so those numbers haven't changed. 39 of those cases were identified by testing and 2 were epi-linked. We've had 40 recoveries and 1 death, and we have no cases in isolation, and we're no longer monitoring any close contacts at this time. The state of Montana has had a total of 479 cases, which is unchanged since last Friday, and there have now been 17 deaths statewide. This morning, we learned of a COVID-related death in Yellowstone County, increasing the total statewide deaths to 17. Along with Governor Bullock, we'd like to extend our condolences to family and friends who are grieving this significant loss. It is a somber reminder that we need to continue adhering to local and state orders for practicing safe public health practices to help protect both our individuals and our communities from COVID-related risks. Locally, we'd like to talk about our farmers market. This weekend marked Missoula's first Clark Fork River market of the 2020 season. Farmers market organizers worked really closely with the Missoula City County Health Department and our Environmental Health Division to arrive at a solution that adheres to public health guidelines, enhancing public safety and reducing the risk of COVID exposure and or transmission while enabling the community to support local food agriculture and access nutritional produce. Farmers market staff, volunteers, and patrons all really need to play their part at these ongoing community events to maintain public health and safety while keeping our COVID case numbers low. We've worked so hard to keep our case numbers low by taking some measures like increased attention to hand washing, cleaning and sanitizing at home and in public spaces, wearing cloth face coverings when it's difficult to maintain physical distancing between individuals, and social distancing as much as possible. Many of the practices that we've become accustomed to are present at the farmers markets too. Examples include screening staff, vendors, and volunteers for COVID-19 symptoms prior to the market start, requiring vendors to separate food handling and money handling tasks, maintaining and monitoring entry and exit at one secure location where market organizers can ensure that the numbers of vendors and patrons stay within the group size limit. One-way shopping lines exist throughout the market spaces, and they're encouraging patrons to wear cloth face coverings and maintaining a 6-foot space between individuals. We're really grateful to the Clark Fork River Market organizers for collaboratively working with the health department to develop, implement, and monitor an event plan, allowing organizers, vendors, volunteers, patrons, and the community to safely and responsibly support local agriculture and access nutritional produce. We are very confident that we can continue working together to create and sustain safe solutions for our community while adhering to local and state health orders. So thank you to the organizers, vendors, volunteers, and patrons for working with us. Our case numbers remain low across the state, which we strive to maintain by continuing with what are now familiar routine health and safety practices, supporting individual and community health. Next, I'd like to talk about graduation ceremonies. We'd also like to thank the school districts for working with us to develop, implement, and monitor a safe in-person graduation ceremonies that adhere to our local and state public health directives. Much like farmers market, graduation ceremonies are a long-standing tradition, and it's an important ritual for students, families, and schools to acknowledge and celebrate the culmination of academic endeavors before high school graduates enter into their next phase of life. MCPS graduation ceremonies have been approved by the health department, and other school districts are in the process of submitting and reviewing graduation plans. MCPS graduation ceremonies are scheduled for the end of the week. They've been really creative, thoughtful, and very practical in their approach. For instance, students will be given special face coverings with their school colors to be worn during a socially distanced ceremonies at Washington Grizzlies Stadium. MCPS identified and secured the larger outdoor venue, allowing for maintaining appropriate crowd sizes, managing entry and exit, implementing social distancing, establishing symptom check-ins, and increased cleansing and disinfecting practices, while instituting a non-contact diploma delivery. Thank you to the school districts, students, and families for patiently awaiting a safe solution for graduation ceremonies. We'd like to extend our congratulations to all high school seniors and staff, family, friends, and community that supported them and will continue to support them in the coming months. Next, I just have a little call for help. Even closer to home, the Missoula City County Health Department would like to share that we're looking for a COVID-19 short-term administrative hire to assist with base camp managing at our Missoula County Fairgrounds testing site. The position is expected to require 15 to 30 hours per week with the flexibility to work outside of a typical 8 to 5 workday. Please refer to our health department Facebook page and the county website for specific details and instructions on how to apply. Information on that will be posted by the end of the day today. And finally, planning for the Clark Fork River Market, thinking about graduation ceremonies, and maintaining our health infrastructure capacity reminds us that if we want to go fast, we go alone. But if we want to go far, we go together. Following the spirit of that wisdom, we look forward to continuing to work together for the health and safety of our community, particularly during our COVID-19 response effort. So thank you for everything everyone is doing out there to make sure that we are keeping our communities safe. That's it for my daily briefing today. As always, you can subscribe to me on YouTube under my name, Cindy Farr. That's CindyFarr. Click that little notification bell so you get notified when additional videos are uploaded. You can follow us on Facebook at the Missoula City County Health Department's Facebook page. We post lots of great information there. You can also check out our website at missoula.co/cvirus. In the coming weeks, you'll see our website change a little bit and it will become a little bit more user-friendly. You can also call 258-INFO or 258-4636 if you're experiencing any COVID-19 symptoms and would like to request an appointment at our drive-through testing facility, or if you just have general questions about COVID-19 or want to know what resources might be available to you. So as always, everyone stay healthy, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.